guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center. I wanted to take a minute today to show you this awesome 1969 Camaro that we had brought into our shop. So this car is a full drag car. It's got a complete roll cage in it. Customer has used it as a drag car for most of the time that he has owned it, but we wanted to make it a little bit more streetable for him so he could drive it on the road and not just at the track. So we put some new Mickey Thompson rubber on it that does have a little bit more tread that isn't going to get him instantly pulled over on the road. And while we had it in the shop, we also put some new front springs in the car. If you have a high-performance car that you need work done to, make sure to give the experts at JB's Power Center a call and we'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to view more of our JB's content, click over here, and if you haven't already, be sure to click over here to subscribe to our JB's channel to be notified of our future content.